Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, nurturers. Pernell here with Nurture in Christ. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to cook egg muffins or mini frittatas. To make these egg muffins, I'm using milk, shredded cheese, salt, black pepper, tomatoes, spinach, sausage, and 10 eggs. So I start by chopping up the tomatoes very, very small. That way our children aren't biting into it and getting grossed out. Next, I'll chop up the spinach and the Jimmy Dean sausage patties. Normally, I would use ground beef, and I'll show you how I do that, but today I was short on time. Next, I'm gonna add some shredded cheese, and I fill up 1 cup here, and I do add a 2nd cup because our children love eating cheese. If you do have a little bit more time and you have ground beef in your kitchen, all you need to do is cut up some onions, add the onions to some hot oil, saute them for about 3 to 5 minutes, and when they're nice and soft, you can go ahead and add your ground beef. You can brown the meat and then drain it, and you are good to go. You can add ground beef, bacon, ham, chicken, or just leave out the meat altogether if you're vegetarian. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and crack the eggs and then mix everything in this big mixing bowl, and then I will add the rest of the ingredients afterwards. Why I absolutely love making egg muffins or mini frittatas are that they are easy, healthy, low carb, keto breakfast meals that I can make ahead of time when there's a little bit more time on the weekends, and then the kids can eat them all week, or I can even make a huge batch and just freeze it, which can last us for months. It's a great way to combine vegetables and protein ingredients to create a delicious meal that kids will love, and especially if they're picky eaters, you're able to hide a lot more vegetables. Good job, buddy. Good job, Shiloh. You did it.
Can I please do some now?
Yep. Sausage and put all the sausage in there.
Went outside.
Wait. You put it outside?
Good job.
Can I please put
Good
one
job.
more in?
Put 1 handful of spinach. Just half of it. Half. Faith's gonna do half. You can do half. I let him pour in the milk and the cheese. All right. Good job, Harmony.
What are you making?
Egg muffins. All right. Put the spinach and the tomatoes in.
I already put spinach in.
Oh, all of them. All of it.
No. Put all of it in.
Oh. Go, keep going until it's all in there.
I wonder how it's gonna taste.
I hope it tastes good.
Yeah.
You're helping to make it, so I'm sure it'll taste delicious, okay? Next, we're adding in 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of salt. So I'm adding 1 more cup of shredded cheese, and then I'm going to finely blend this up because, like I said, our children are a little bit picky and don't really love biting into big chunks of tomato or spinach. So I'm just gonna blend this up really finely. If you don't have a blender, no biggie, just go ahead and blend it with a whisk or a fork, and then when you're happy with the consistency, you can go ahead and pour your egg muffin mixture into a well-sprayed muffin tin. So if you are cooking for picky eaters, a suggestion that I have is to include them in the preparation process. Not only do they gain a great sense of accomplishment by feeling like, hey, I helped to make this, but they also learn how to cook, and while you're doing so, you're making really great memories with your children. The nights can feel so long if you don't have a good sleeper, but the days go by fast. So if you can enjoy these memories and these quality special moments with them, honestly, they are memories that last a lifetime. All right, so next up, you're gonna go ahead and put these egg muffins in your oven on 375 degrees for 25 minutes. I like to set my timer for 20 minutes, and then I can go ahead and open the oven and check them to see how brown they are and firm they are, and then I'll put it in for an additional 5 minutes if necessary. And there you go. In less than 30 minutes, you have egg muffins or mini frittatas where you have jam-packed protein, vegetables, spices, herbs, and this can last for days in the fridge or months in the freezer. Here's a great meal idea suggestion that you can prep the egg muffins with. I cooked some oatmeal and I put banana and blueberries on the side and just paired the egg muffins with that, and the children absolutely loved it. Thank you for the world so sweet. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for helping me make the egg muffins. Are they yummy?
Yes!
If you'd like to learn how to cook easy, healthy meals, how to clean and organize toys and clothes, and see our homeschool morning and evening routines, please subscribe to join our family of nurturers. It's free and you'll get notified when I post new videos.